Bonjour and welcome. If you're starting to learn French, here are 7 quick tips to help you learn faster, sound natural, and truly enjoy the process. Let's begin. Tip 1. Focus on sounds first. Start by listening. Pay attention to how French words sound, their rhythm, melody, and pronunciation. Repeat short phrases out loud every day. Good pronunciation builds a strong foundation. Tip 2. Learn full sentences in context. Don't memorize single words. Learn short sentences in context, so you understand how words connect and flow naturally. When you study phrases that reflect real situations, you learn meaning, grammar, and expression all at once. Tip 3. Speak from the start. Say what you learn. Even simple phrases like bonjour or je m'appelle, speaking from the beginning boosts confidence and fluency. Every word you say brings you one step closer to thinking in French. Tip 4. Surround yourself with French. Make French part of your daily routine. Label things around you, read short phrases, or think in French for a few minutes. Consistency matters more than long study sessions. Tip 5. Review regularly. Revisit what you've learned often. Short, daily revision helps your brain remember better than hours of cramming. Tip 6. Enjoy the process. Learning French takes time. Be patient and enjoy it. Celebrate small wins, your first sentence, your first conversation, or understanding a French song. Progress happens one small step at a time. And finally, French opens doors to new cultures, new people, and new opportunities. Start small, stay curious, and enjoy your French learning journey. Merci et à bientôt.